Hey everybody, it's Ray and it's Independence Day. So happy Independence Day to everyone. And today I am at the Bass Pharoah fireworks display that is going on right behind me here. It will be happening as soon as it gets dark. So just thought I'd bring you guys along with me to show you the fun that these guys have. And so honored to be here. They invited me to come along, had some great food. And in a little bit, we'll get to see some great fireworks. So I've got brought on my drones and my GoPros, and just want to so we get some different angles and see what's going on with how well we can do with our cameras here. So stay tuned. Fireworks display coming up after we visit with some folks. Tell me about this event that's going on this year. This is the third year in a row for this?
Well, this is the third year for it to be Jeb, Bass, and myself together doing it. Now, Jeb's been having family get-together over here for a long time, but this is the third annual time where he figured out I was a crazy pyromaniac who loved fireworks. So the first time he invited me, I said, hey, can I shoot a few? And I think my few and his few didn't really line up. So last year we kind of combined forces, and it just keeps growing and getting better.
Awesome. Now, if you would, one at a time, tell me what Independence Day means to you.
It means sacrifices that people before us have made for all of us to enjoy freedoms. And freedoms can mean a variety of things, not things that we say that we believe in. It's if somebody else believes something different, they fight for that, for you to have that difference of opinion.
For me, it's representative of what's the best parts of our DNA. We're a very nomadic DNA that's non-conforming. People were not happy about having no representation, but yet paying high taxes. And so anytime you want to declare independence from a wrong, it's typically common people having to raise above themselves to do something great. And I think our founding fathers and the revolutionaries are some of the best in history, next to the World War II greatest generation, because they sought independence and they gained it. So it's easily, you know, my favorite holiday. I'd hate to pick between Christmas or the 4th of July, because I think they both celebrate two of the greatest moments in American history, if not world history.
Hello, Mr. Bass. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing good. How are you, Ray?
So tell us about how you got started with doing this gathering and fireworks. So of course, it's 4th of July. Everybody does fireworks on 4th of July, but how did it become such a big event for you?
We started, I come from a divorced family. One side shot fireworks, one didn't. The one over here where I live now, they shot fireworks, and I became a sort of fireworks junkie. And the more we shoot, the better. But now I enjoy watching the kids lighting the fuses and just stay back and just like to be a part of it, you know, and watch the show.
What does Independence Day mean to you?
The ability and the freedom to gather as we do each and every year and celebrate this day in any way we want, because that freedom was paid for many years ago.
Independence Day to me is freedom to spend time with those that I love and in the way that we choose, and just to have a good time.
What does Independence Day mean to you?
America and just freedom.
What does Independence Day mean to you?
Shoot, freedom.
I say like celebration of our freedom and our country and the men and women that fight for it.
What does Independence Day mean to you?
The right to live the life that we live today. I mean, our forefathers fought for our rights to enjoy all of this that we have in our country.
As did you.
Yes, I did.
Thank you. We appreciate that.
Thank you.
Well, Ray, Independence Day is about our freedom of our country and just having fun with family and enjoying our time that we have on this earth given to us by our wonderful Lord. And that's pretty much what it's about.
What does Independence Day mean to you?
Freedom.
Pretty good. He summed it up in just one word.
One word.
And what are you doing?
That's all.
Oh, okay.
He keeps going up.
All right, so are you having fun?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part of 4th of July?
Well, we get to see fireworks and visit new people.
So
no, ask somebody else.
What? You can't just leave. Okay, there you go. You're stuck. So
No.
So the question I have: what does Independence Day mean to you?
No, I can't do this. I can't. I know. No, Janet wants to answer you. She really does.
So give a speech to the officers. What does it mean to you?
He's shy.
Oh, come on, Jake.
I don't do interviews. Come on, man.
I just
on a commercial.
You know, so you're on a commercial for real? For Barton's?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know that. Well, see, you should have no problem being in front of the camera.
I don't talk in it. I just stand in.
Well,
I just stand in front of the truck.
Okay, don't.